Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating an account and copying your configuration ID so the app knows your profile. Once installed from Google Play, open Nextdns and grant the requested permissions. This lets it configure DNS and collect diagnostic data if you opt in. Decide immediately whether you want the app-managed VPN mode or to use Android private DNS. App mode offers per-app blocking, while private DNS is simpler and system-wide. After choosing, paste the configuration ID and tap Activate to begin the connection process. Once activated, you refine what Nextdns blocks and allows. You open your profile, enable threat protection and ad blocking, and set analytics preferences so you balance privacy and diagnostics. Then, customize filters, add block lists for trackers, whitelist essential domains, and set parental controls if needed. Make sure to choose DNS over HTTPS or DNS over QUIC for encryption and pick a logging level. Logs help debug, but may store metadata. Finally, test a few sites and apps to verify the filters behave as intended before moving on. To finish, confirm the connection status reads connected and open a handful of sites and apps to ensure normal operation. Use Nextdns real-time analytics and logs to check which domains were blocked. This helps you understand and refine rules. If an app breaks, temporarily switch from VPN to private DNS or vice versa, flush your Android DNS cache, or disable specific rules rather than the whole service. One key troubleshooting tip: always test after each change so you can quickly undo the exact setting that caused the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.